Thank you for participating in our usability study. Today I'm testing server.com, not you. I want to hear exactly what you think, then to improve this site. So please don't worry about you gonna hurt my feeling with anything you say about this website. I did not create it and I'm only trying to improve it, so just tell me what's going through your mind. If you can find something, just tell me. I will try to answer your questions. If it's okay with you, I'm going to do a record you during this study, including the computer screen and what you think about navigating the website. It won't be seen by anyone except people are working on improving this website. You have any question before we begin?
No.
Okay, I have some background question. What's your full name?
Ting Zhang.
What is your occupation?
Students.
How old are you?
21.
What is your gender?
Female.
How many hours would you say you spend on computer?
3 or 4 hours.
What is your favorite website?
Google.
What do you like about it?
I can search almost everything.
Okay. Are you a fan of online shopping?
Kind of.
Why?
Because it's convenient.
Okay. Would you say your most favorite thing about online shopping is?
I can stay at home and just wait the people sent to my door.
Okay. How often do you wear makeup?
Twice a week, maybe.
Okay. Do you enjoy browsing any makeup webs?
Not really.
Okay. The text one is, could you please go to Sephora's website?
Okay.
Have you visited this site?
Yeah.
Have you ever shopped on Sephora?
Yeah, but it's a long time ago.
Okay. What did you buy?
I think it's lipsticks.
Okay. How often do you use Sephora.com?
Once or twice per month, I think.
Okay. Now you can scroll around. What do you think about homepage design?
At the bottom of the homepage design, it's contain many attractive color. It's very bright and maybe can grab someone's attention. And it's very clear, like you can search what you want, and it's separate into brands and categories.
Okay. Do you like the product are categorized in that way, like just arrive or this? Do you like?
Yes, I like.
Okay. The text two is, you are interested in register account in Sephora. Let me watch what you would do.
所以我现在注册。这个密码。
Okay. You already have an account.
Fine, levels.
Okay. Do you think it is easy to use?
Not that easy, because I think like if I register, if I am a new customers, and I have to register like type too many words. It's yeah.
Text 3 is could you just search anything in that search box? Doesn't matter what it is. Let me watch what you do.
Foundation 怎么打的？
这里你跟着它打，跟着它。
确定吗？ Okay.
Do you like it?
Wait.
Okay. Do you like it?
Actually, no sense to the website. I think almost any other makeup website is the same to the Sephora, and it's not so creative.
Oh, okay. Do you often search something use the search box, or do you usually search through the drop-down menu?
I usually search on the search box.
Okay. The text for is could you find the brand deal? Let me watch what you would do.
Okay. Brand deal. Brand deal. Deals. 不觉得像吗 ？Deals.
Deal. Now you can go to brand and
I don't think Chanel has that.
no, I saw it's deal. The brand deal.
你是要做成一单什么？
不是 deal, the deal.
哦，deal.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Do you think it's easy to find?
Maybe because there's too many brands on the website, and it's too messy. My vision.
Okay. The text 5 is now pretend you are able to get one merchandise on Sephora and no personal cost to you. Find one you like and add it to your chart. Let me watch what you would do.
Okay. Just find it.
Yeah.
Click foundation.
Yeah. That's a simple press for you did.
Yeah.
Okay. The text 6 is you want to return a product on Sephora. You have a free question about the return way. So you want to look at their FAQ page. Let me watch what you would do. The FAQ page.
FAQ page. Where is the FAQ page?
Okay, you can going down. So, yeah, maybe you can see here.
Oh,
yeah, the returns.
Return.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Do you find the placement of this link logical?
No, because
Okay.
I just can't find it.
Okay. Do you think that this question would be commonly asked question?
Yes.
Okay. Text 7 is can you find the nearest Sephora?
Near source.
Nearest Sephora.
最近的就是 stores.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here.
Do you think it is easy to find?
For young people, yes, but for the old, no.
Okay. Do you think it is easy? It is useful?
Yeah, it's just
Okay. Text 8 is can you find some skincare product that is personalized for your skin? Let me watch what you would do.
okay.
Skincare.
You see,
For your like they have a quiz. You can take the quiz to text your. Somewhere you can find the quiz.
Good.
Okay, maybe you can go down.
The test for my skin?
Yeah.
Never use it.
Okay, maybe you can go. And then here, take the quiz.
Take the quiz.
Yeah.
What kind of coverage are you looking for? Kind of.
Yeah. Do you think it is easy to use?
Yes, but